Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the phone ready. Enable mobile data and verify your plan allows tethering. Once done, open Settings, choose Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. You want to tap Mobile Hotspot to reveal the network name and password. This is the credential you'll give the other device. Make sure the screen remains unlocked while you proceed so you can adjust options quickly. This step sets the network fabric. Without it, the other device cannot discover or join your hotspot. Now configure the hotspot for secure, reliable sharing. Change the SSID to something recognizable, choose WPA2 or WPA3 security, and create a strong password. Once done, pick the band. 4 GHz gives better range, 5 GHz gives higher speed if both devices support it. Make sure to set a device limit or an auto timeout to prevent unwanted usage and conserve battery. These choices control performance and safety, so adjust according to whether you prioritize. With the hotspot active, have the other device scan Wi-Fi networks, select your SSID, and enter the password exactly as shown. Case matters. Once connected, verify internet access by loading a web page. If it doesn't work, toggle the hotspot off and on, restart both devices, or switch bands between 2, 4, and 5 GHz. Make sure to watch data and battery consumption. When done, turn off the hotspot. A common fix is changing the band or rebooting the phone, which resolves most link issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.